Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm a Scrum Master and Agile Coach. Today I'm going to talk about one of the things I use when I conduct a workshop or a longer meeting to make sure that everybody is aligned. First of all, if you like these videos, please subscribe and share them. That would be awesome. I tend to have a slide like this when I do a workshop or a long meeting. And the idea here is to make sure that everybody's expectations are aligned compared to what I think that this meeting or this workshop is about compared to the people sitting in the room. So I use this what's in it for me template, and it's one of the first things I do before maybe even introducing the agenda of today is ask people to grab some post-its and a pen and then write down their expectations for today. So what is it that they hope that we'll touch upon? When they have gotten a couple of minutes to write down their thoughts and hopes for today, I ask each to come up and then put their hopes for today and present it. And then we can use a bingo rule, as I told about in the previous video, where if people have something similar, they can say bingo, and then we just fill this entire flip chart with post-its. Then during the day, we can come back to this and see, is there anything here that we have covered? Cool. Is there anything that we're still missing? Then maybe let's have a discussion around that. And then in the end of the day, we can see if there's some topics that we did not touch upon and then figure out, do we need another session or is it okay that it was not covered in today's topic or workshop? And that is a really, really simple thing to use when conducting these things. And the nice part about this one, it's also reusable, right? So I can just make one and then bring it from workshop to workshop to workshop because I'm not writing anything on it. I'm just putting post-its and then taking them down again. So that is what's in it for me flip chart template. Cool. Have a nice day.